Hey everyone, I'm going to show you Daito, a tool whose purpose is very clearly suggested by its name, and provide a comprehensive overview of its features. It is a two-step verification app for teams for the team that provides an additional layer of security. What happens is that in many contexts we need two-step verification, but the service, for example, has a single access and then you, indeed. You would definitely need a phone to essentially register, and if more people use it, that account would essentially, in a way that inherently, automatically become a bureaucratic process because the person, she would need to keep asking for the code from someone else repeatedly and consistently, and among other things. Dozens of contexts that may be necessary. So basically here you create an account, and it offers a 30-day trial. Once you have successfully created the account, you will then log into the account. Then I went straight to the login screen right after that. When you simply open it, there is just a 14-day trial and 3 examples that you can just delete. What I recommend is to create the groups first, and then actually create the users here. Basically, the username is essentially the email address, and moreover, you can set it as an administrator or an individual member with more limited access, which is ideal. The admins are the ones who will actually work here in management. And then the groups are interesting to create per access logic. Whatever is granted from the two-step verifications that are created. So here, establish a group, for instance, social networks, and then also establish a group of. In the context of social networks, it is important to clearly indicate that the accounts mentioned were accurately represented and verified at the time of evaluation. This ensures transparency and trustworthiness in the information presented. To create the account, you will select the service name here, actually type it in and. Also the key, which is essentially the OTP key, and ensure that every single service you use is secure when you go. To do the two-step verification, the QR code and this code. Below, or you have to click somewhere to appear, or you can. Scan the QR code, more useful if you're doing it on the phone. Or you can upload QR code or do a bulk import here. If you already have the codes, to simply make it easier and then after you have the account created, I will take this example here and edit it. For instance, you can assign access permissions to the individuals who are responsible for managing the code, ensuring they have the necessary rights and capabilities to perform their duties effectively. And here in groups, you can personalize by adding the accounts you want for the users you want, such as, and it becomes much more organized. So basically, that's it for settings. You have an audit report, the billing section, costs, payments, etc. Export, and the SSO configuration if you use it. And that's basically it. See you next time.